And just like that, we back, boys and girls. We back with another video on the Evo. What I'm going to be doing is giving this 1996 Evo 4 its first wash in years, I think. In absolute years. So it is very filthy. The previous owner left it outside, so give it a good wash down. Put up the windows, obviously. Wipe it down inside, give it a vacuum. And let's see how she actually is underneath all this grime and dirt. Without further ado, let's bring out the power washer, give it a spray down, and see how she really looks. Let's go. Let's go. So excited for this. It's time to start spraying. Let's give her a little wash down. So far, not too bad. She's turning out really nicely. Let me hit the other side and I'll get back to you guys. That was a quick little spray down, and as you can see, it already looks so much better. I'm extremely happy with this. The paint is really actually good, but it's going to need some work, definitely a buff and some touch-ups here and there. But man, oh man, she is insane. Insane. Honestly, insane. And obviously, that wang though. Let's give her a bit of a wash with some soap. Might help her out a little bit. And just like this, guys, we are getting some washing done. She's looking much better. So you get all this, it's this old glue that was from the wrap on the bonnet. So I need to handle that in another video. But almost done with this right hand side. And can I tell you, she is looking so much better already. And that wang though. Let me finish up, then we'll have a walk around. Ooh, it is coming out so much better. Again, just this stuff over here, but I sprayed some Prepsol over pretty much a lot of the parts of the paint that were a little bit, you know, very stained, because there's a lot of staining I still need to get out. As you can see over here, a lot of sun damage. But yeah, it's getting most of the grime in that out. That just came from under the wing. But she's looking so much better. I'm gonna go over it again, couple places with the Prepsol. Maybe even get my, no, I'm not gonna get a cutting compound out because then I know what's gonna happen. Maybe just get it out though and use it with some Prepsol to get some of the harder stuff off, and then we can have a look and see. Very exciting. This is looking great. See, and some buffing. Looks like we're getting somewhere. I've got out most of the blemishes. Like a lot of the paint when you go really close, I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see there's a lot of blemishes and a lot of sun damage. There we go, you can see that. So I've hit it with the stuff called Prepsol over there, really strong detergent, and then with the basically like the buffing wheel, and just going over it and over it, trying to get all of the stain bits out. And it looks like we're really getting there. So I think I'm gonna just pose her down off again, then dry her, and then pump up this tire again, and then drive it up and down the driveway and see how she feels, because I only drove it out the garage, but we're looking good. We are looking amazing. I am super stoked with how she turned out. Looks very clean. Very, very clean. With the car being clean-ish to an extent, the tire's got a little bit of a leak, but it's fine. We're not going to go very far. I think we should take this for a little drive just around here. So let me hop in, start it, and see what she does. First time it's leaving the property on its own power. Let's go. Can't believe it. And just like that, we are driving. So I think this other scammed me a bit. He said it was on 80,000 Ks. Another Odo only started working now, but anyway, we're at 167,000 kilometers. Oh well, we are driving the Evo. Man, oh man, I can't believe this. This is incredible. I'm gonna stop when we get home, open the bonnet, and see how we're looking. The oil light sometimes comes on really low revs, but the thing brakes really well. Seems like it. I don't know what that noise is. I think that's my clutch though. But anyway, let's pop it back into the garage and see what she does. So one thing I have noticed is it seems like I'm leaking oil on my exhaust manifold. I need to pump the idle up, but that's not the end of the world. And I think the wheels are scraping. I think they're rubbing somewhere, but otherwise, very successful first little drive. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it back inside. Let's actually go and have a look at the temp. It sounds amazing though. It sounds good. Just lift the noise. I'm super happy. Honestly, I'm so happy. This is incredible. Looks like we definitely got some oil down there. Otherwise, I don't know where else. Aha. Let's tighten that. Oh, let's tighten the master. I think we might need a new master. Temperature is there, so that's good. I'm happy with that. That means that's working. 167,000 kilometers. Boys and girls, and that's the Evo's first drive. The motor sounds very knocky, I must say. I'm not too happy with it. There's a bit of oil, but we'll check now as well in a bit. Sounds like my fan is working. I can hear it going, so that's great. But I just don't like, and the oil pressure light's on. Probably will have to do an oil pump. I don't like how clunky it is, especially when you rev it. Sounds very clunky. I don't like that.